Cash App mystery. Did they get my money? Here's how to find out. Ever sent a Cash App payment and then been struck by a sudden wave of panic? Did it actually go through? Did your friend get that rent money, or is it floating around in the digital ether? Relax, we've all been there. Thankfully, Cash App offers some clear ways to track your payment and confirm it landed safely in the right hands. So, before you spiral into a frantic text message barrage, we've all done that too. Let's dive into the world of Cash App transactions and unveil the secrets of knowing if your recipient received your hard-earned cash. The All-Seeing Eye, your Cash App Activity tab. Cash App keeps a detailed record of all your financial activities, including sent and received payments. This is your treasure trove of information, and it's surprisingly easy to access. Here's how to find it. Open the Cash App on your phone or tablet. Look for the little clock icon at the bottom of the screen. That's your Activity tab, your financial history waiting to be explored. Upon clicking the icon, you'll see a list of all your transactions, neatly organized by date. Sent payments will have a green arrow pointing outwards, while received payments have a green arrow pointing inwards. Simple, right? Spotting the crucial clue, the status update. Now, within this list of transactions lies the key to your burning question. Each payment will have a status update next to it. This update tells you exactly what stage your payment is currently in. Here's what you need to look for. Completed. This is the golden ticket. This status means the recipient has successfully received your payment, and the money is now chilling in their Cash App balance. Breathe a sigh of relief, your generosity has reached its destination. Pending. Hold your horses. A pending status might indicate a few things. Maybe your recipient hasn't accepted the payment yet. Yes, Cash App allows them to decline payments. It could also be a temporary hold due to security checks. Don't worry, Cash App will usually notify the recipient about a pending payment, so they can accept it if needed. Failed. This isn't ideal, but it's good to know. A failed status signifies a problem with the transaction. Maybe there were insufficient funds in your account, or there could be a technical glitch. In this case, you'll need to double-check your information and try sending the payment again. Additional tips for tracking your cash. The power of the description. When you send a payment, there's a space to add a description. Use this wisely. A clear description like rent for June or payment for that pizza you ordered not only helps you keep track of things, but also jogs the recipient's memory when they see the transaction. The art of communication. Don't be afraid to send a quick text or message letting the recipient know you've sent the payment, especially if it's a larger amount. A friendly heads-up can prevent unnecessary confusion and anxiety on both sides. Cash App support is your friend. If you're still having trouble tracking down your payment, Cash App offers customer support. You can reach them through the app itself or by browsing their online help center. Remember, Cash App prioritizes security. So, the occasional delay or pending status is a good thing. It means they're keeping your hard-earned cash safe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.